In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send cold email with Sendgrid. We'll walk through the exact flow inside the Sendgrid dashboard, from creating your email to choosing who receives it and when it goes out. By the end, you'll be able to confidently send a cold email campaign using single sends. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, start by looking at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Find the section labeled Marketing and click on it. This is where Sendgrid keeps all of its tools for sending one-off campaigns, newsletters, and other marketing emails, including cold outreach. Inside the marketing area, look for an option called Single Sends. Go ahead and select that. Single sends are perfect for cold outreach because they're designed for one-time campaigns to a specific list. In the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Create Single Send. Click that to start building your new email. Next, Sendgrid will prompt you to choose a template. You can pick from one of Sendgrid's pre-built designs, choose a template you've already created before, or start from a completely blank template if you prefer full control. For most people, picking a simple, clean layout works best for cold email, so choose whatever makes it easy to keep your message clear and direct. After choosing your template, select the Design Editor. This is Sendgrid's drag-and-drop editor that lets you visually design your email without writing code. We'll come back to the design in a moment, but first, it's helpful to make sure your settings are in place. Switch over to the Settings tab. Here, you'll fill out a few key details. First, choose your From sender. This should be a verified sender email in your account, ideally a professional address that matches your domain and looks trustworthy. Then, add your subject line. Keep it short, relevant, and personalized when possible, since this is crucial for cold email open rates. Finally, choose your recipients. You can select one or more lists or segments that you've already created. Make sure these contain the contacts you actually want to reach with this specific cold email. Once your settings are configured, move back into the design area to build your email. Use the drag-and-drop content blocks to add text, images, buttons, and dividers. For cold email, focus on clear copy, a simple layout, and a single main call to action. Avoid clutter and make sure it reads naturally, almost like a one-to-one message. When everything looks good, click Review Details and Send. Here you can double-check your sender, subject, recipients, and content. If you're ready to go live, confirm and send it immediately. If you'd rather time your outreach for a specific day or hour, choose the schedule option instead and set your desired send time.